Tuka expect mundume akwende to kwenda mundume mwenzake kana ko kwenda mundume muka mwenzako nundo si perspective. Secondly, wendo expressions ya wendo idefine ya wanikacha na kitino la twene wa munu twina group crop mwe aka especially ma watch it soap soap opera isa South America na muno ya South America na mindone na za Philippines. Okay, there ikijo cha malika mendone wa malaa mienda kuikata lakini chuti kivyo kitu toyenda au kwa ukwale kwendo yona kwatendekete ndukolo kana mundu umeono loni ani yabaki kunduku no wabanza mbani no bona na you we expect akwete mala akwike ujasia pau akalende na akusaluni akwetele wekata ozo bwenzui akwebie nzu isu you know na ikwita masito kumbe wandu kutikevyo kitu to be very honest lili kana mundu umezio ni kikunduku
Tio lakini
kana baya wayani
tio lakini
kana kuya mandongo
tio lakini ibo ndiwe tenya ukete ta kwinginye ndiko kule hapo banya witawa mutwa
tio kuitetea ni ndamba sikumya misconception yenu mundu ni kwananga misi akaingi nimekwananga misi na this misconception ya kana mundu mailombeka lia ailombeka ailombo yangu tukaina ke ingidi manandeka na ke mundu umezuna wokugwa kepeka kwete chao akwete umusi you see na mundu umeozu ndani tena kithio kiba kiu na nundu wa expectation yaku yona kotendekete
ndio bogwaze tuno bogwaze bayitima mutu wa ukisiana by the way
na no buru patute mutu wa ukisiana unless now wala me mokite town ina ukethia mea on the town makamana chao mostly especially the younger generation ya alama wajuma muika chao ni very exposed nundu kwa kwina ma TV kwina mena simu sia touch mena chao mena exposure yesu kwa nundu wa simu nundu wa technology ni affect your family, technology ni affect your love, the way you express yourself, because it defines the culture that you grow in. Na nundu wa kwithia may grow in a life in a technology, their culture is different and the expressions are quite different. Lakini andwala tuyanie ku ya musina weta kikundu ku na weta mandongo yi tutiani takithio kiu nubona na you expect muno every time gwete mala in fact kuwa malani wa mala mazilingi maneli mutu ambatio you know mutu ambatio ni mala maneli no gwete lakini ndiko mandi kwa stress
na
kule yuno na twanda to iyo kumbija malatu kwa manza
na mwendeza ngomeka dhina
yeah so it is very important kila mundu understand expression yito kwa na kivyo kila na mituela tu yanite it is not of that nature na wa mina kuliberate wa kuma thought yesu ukenda na wendo musio nundu andomate ne menda ukethia ezla enukite au wakasamekie kotine aite mukani expression ya love nokona angi expression ya love na I say this with a lot of discretion mundu ndakambosa nai expression ya love ya mukau wakosa au wa mukanya no mwendete wale mukanya ndo mwendete nokona so it's a cultural thing na culture yitu beyond that oriented to quite different. Now andwala me ole akwelewa kinduchu mati kala maisha mena freedom
we pasa bawu atata anyala na edete ya anyala
tiko mutete niko mutete
pasa na yukisindizo kwazo na kukisia na ti mutuo kana kivyo kitu ndili kana buno unapoto asiaka na uni wale to prepare mwenzako.
We are just growing.
No, you are missing was over kissing. Then you on kwata. Then ukalani hapo.
Jitu ya kutumia kuona hii. Tuna kipindi taki.
Mo moni mezi walo prepare mundu mukata pasa.
sio ngukuya hii
sasa wewe abantu bate TV
part nini ya reason ya kipindi ki kwanza na mami wakwa niko bundi siandu nundu meanite katika mutuo utesi ndui tome sindui te kimutuo wito lakini nisia ngalacha useondi no ametwano yito they can be done nukona they can be done if possible lakini see, they don't happen overnight. Why expect this to happen overnight? They happen. They take time.
Madam Lydia, no, Bavano, Bozi, I got no to a loony. I did go but no, not to say, what happened?
Lakini now, I'm very busy sometimes. I'm very busy and I'm all over and all over.
I'm going to make it a
Lakini sometimes no mutwa ogundugundu.
I'm going to make it a basa. Nitu mwende temo no. Na nitu isi mtu manzi ya mbesa lakini be kindu kimagita wakwitha we busy kidogo muno katika family nitu kwelewa nije mu manzi na kaka ende ya ume muonze piu nitu kwelewa nije mu manzi na mesi ne alikile madina nundu wakwithi wa tene nina atembea na ku 24/7 tene ni wandu wa saluni isu tene ni wambuya mbithinzio lakini babi kama ndu woka wakwata na tumondo to ambika we na nikawa no pass unless you forget stages na stages we determine one is into several pia ndo matwani yo they have all the time they are young they are not very committed they have money mbesa sio mayozo wamedia mwana mbesa sio maikata so they have a lot of time onati wa mawanda kuwe jao ina nunduka mtu waka mume ya chuma keima mele okay lakini wewe anasiana
you mutano witu no wa grow
come the way you are coming and you go who okay
nenge doge ngoleze wabika a certain stage where they are stage ya bika maundu ni mabinduka even our physical appearance ni abinduka a little bit cause stage itu ni grow on emotions situ ni grow on a values situ ni grow. I can tell you my wife person wendete to know you or you ona ngaikuna no nikunenga mwete but they will also not please her no kona so we have to grow with each other tuendena ku grow ndino achao ndino wa mutwano nikana with yene mwasubiana na mwende na ku discover each other no kona na neto asia hii ndukose mutwano wa kutawanganya nundu stage yo ni different when more ni different learn mundu wako learn stage yako ya mutwano do the best according to your stage
Madam Lydia ngunikie conversation is
kama ngunikie conversation ni I think for once ngwe ndo support
for once I like that
this stage la tu
Kotu kona ndo mananita mambo tu wekiwe actually katika that stage
by the way what you are saying is true by the earlier as a convention as we move on ona zogone twanda imo by the way tukoza ni mabagando tukoza ni kitu mababa kitungu tu naka dia gwete kikabo tukoza neti na tukenuka and there is a loon. Now of course that was earlier because I remember like one time nina mwana munini na ningwendo this saloon tukadina aga saloon akakwata mwana ngaze gwanzwi lakini now you see mwana timo nini na mondo babendukie but the point is sindu isi nitwa agonie bindela twa ile kwikona for now it may not necessarily to end as saloon yemwe but at least base you go substitute there for example out of his busy schedule after he has been busy whatever of course sometimes I complain kana you are away for too long so kwata mwana sometimes he will pay for a holiday and we you do and get away together and you spend some time by the time you come back magazala mo ndio naked ni modile so I was saying it was do kwa sisi ndio Aume na akaidioze to drop some of these good things and then it's just to build metwano yitu you can drop completely frequency ndio nya kuoleka okay I don't make us do every month draws you kata once a month no get thrice per year but don't drop completely ketume now and drop in the name of I'm busy within a business not where you have your priorities you can create time Na syenu ila wendete no create ya time even when you are busy.
Yes.
Go point ya kwane ona we busy. Jaribu weke hata.
Create
time for your person. Get to me. It was ya out of sight, out of mind.
Yes.
Wana waduka we busy to ikuona. Alama kuona kani mame ukwata attention.
Yazuni maga hagi ya wagilaza.
Ni mame ukwata attention. Go make sure you don't completely disappear in your business.
Men, are we together?
Na tunaite ba before.
Peki nungononena.
Akama yuma kwa kuona mbesa. And especially the modern woman today.
Shokelela woman.
Ningwe ndo shokelela. Kila jambo mizie kuito.
Ngaiti mbesa.
Timbesa. Kitumi.
Ona manza I zito ya kana we moto.
By the way, let me tell you the reality and obsession, and I'm talking this, let me say, most of us who have been to school. Akala maende to school. Na mwanga yuma tete jimaka kwa atawia. Mayuma kwa kuona mbesa. Kitumi ya mbesa no mamande. And actually, na ndeo nena nai akama mena mbesa bige ko ya mume kwa uti mbesa imometie kwa kila kimometie kwa ningena matakwata kwa
kindo taya newe neze
kila ndio tamunenge na jono kimwa
wana jambu mizibaza muno jando anyoruru
na imotizo kwa aume ni magi kishebau onelezi ndulingi ni kwa mona mali yakwete mala zo mala ni makontribute ya Bona my laws ingatia. By the way, giving is very important. Kitu the reality ni kindu kila mundu muka mwetu otanewe nithe. No motizo.
Kabisa.
Ni ko wanyomba nithe. Ni ko wangali nithe, ni umanzi wa wia nithe. But kiukenge that
na kwa tabala beize.
Kwa hiyo ome ni mazingatia give priority to the important things.
My men, are we together?
Yes.
Shabiki waite tumama mitamboni ya Athiani FM asia eyita kisinga matotatu yasia pasta naongea ukweli masi nena taumpene undu nendete wa Kristina wakazamati atalamu azuma zome abasikilizia mapenzi na kono ni miendele totally impressed
Now get over right.
Zarito wasengani akambia agasia akipasa hapo wamekuwa real Inyeji nikienda ama ile wano you may do your best but akabichoba au Kevin Lameki none yazetineza usonge goli kwa kama baba kidogo unanenezua onde by the way kila kuma na wadi wa Lois Kim wadi wita wa Queen akola sia ninde ya mudiwe olilikana wa doye kibetiago kamala ka wendo ninde ya mudiwa mumali wa mutwa saluni wa yomwekali umbene ninde ya mudiwa mwandike ka message ka I love you ninde ya mudiwa mwandike ka message ka I miss you ninde ya mudiwa mukeki eneza na mwaisa ni asa ninde emwe we mutebe tutero rusio twa wendo akula sia undeni wa wadhi na ni wonga na unengana ni tutoka na chama dikisa tunena misingi ya dhai kuslava mitamboni ya Athiani.